to you. We are also been joined by an important guest. There appears to be a setback for Biocon as its biosimilars program appears to have been hit by a roadblock in Europe. The drug products unit inspection done in March has not received the GMP certificate, good manufacturing production certificate, by the French regulator. Kiran Mazumdar, Chairman and Managing Director of Biocon, joins us on the phone line. Kiran, good morning to you. How serious are the observations? When will you be ready for the next inspection, and therefore does the EU permission get postponed?
So let me try and explain this to you and put it in the right context so that it provides you with better clarity on this inspection report. So to begin with, the French regulatory authorities inspected us, as you said, in March this year. And the scope of the inspection was to cover 2 drug substance facilities and 2 drug product facilities. This drug substance facilities were the facilities that manufacture pegfilgrastim and trastuzumab. The 2 drug product facilities, one is a multi-product drug product facility that actually manufactures trastuzumab and pegfilgrastim, and the other is a device assembly facility that produces our insulin glargine pens. Okay. Now let me now go on to say that as far as the inspection is concerned, we had several observations in the drug substance facilities and the drug product facility, but not in the device facility. I want to mention here that we had no observations in the device facility that produces glargine pens. Now, we are required to provide a corrective action, preventive action plan after we receive the observations from any regulatory authority. These corrective action or CAPA plans were provided to the French regulatory authority. We have now received a GMP approval for both our drug substance facilities, which is the trastuzumab and pegfilgrastim drug substance facilities. And this is a very, very important GMP approval because this is the heart of the biosimilars program. Biomanufacturing of biologics is a very complex process, and it requires robust quality systems, which actually endorses that we have very robust quality systems. Now, when it comes to the drug product facilities, they have said that we will give you the GMP based on a re-inspection. And the remedial measures that they have sought, we believe are very expeditiously addressable. And we believe that we can seek a re-inspection at an early date.
Kiran, good morning. What's that early date?
As per our understanding, we do not believe that it will have a material impact on our commercialization timeline.
Kiran, good morning. I take your point. So what's that early date? Is the date finalized? And what's the nature of these observations? Is there a data integrity issue?
No, there are no data integrity issues at all. I must confirm that. And I must categorically say there are no data integrity issues. They have actually listed a bunch of, inspections or observations in their report, which is on the public domain. And if you look at these, most of them have been addressed and complied with. Some of them is what we need to do these remedial measures for. And that is what we will address expeditiously, and I am very confident that we will be able to seek a re-inspection at an early date. Now, what is that date? I cannot tell you because we have yet to complete the remedial measures, and then we will ask them for an early re-inspection. So, please just be a bit patient because this has just happened. And as far as I'm concerned, yes, this re-inspection is a first for Biocon, but it is not unusual.
And it does not impact your US filing and your US FDA approvals?
See, basically, all regulatory authorities have different inspections, and they take their own decisions. So I do not wish to comment on these kind of issues.
So no data integrity issues and no material impact on the commercialization of your filings. If you could give us, ma'am, going ahead, what is the status of filings of biosimilars in the US and even going ahead from the United States? When can we expect an approval then?
You know, as far as our filings are concerned, we've shared with you that as far as EU is concerned, you know that these three products, trastuzumab, pegfilgrastim and insulin glargine are under review. Okay, and this is what we are talking about for this inspection. As far as the US is concerned, we have also filed both trastuzumab and pegfilgrastim, which are under review. And as you know, both these products have got a target action date, one in September, one in October this year. So that's as far as I can share with you.
Okay.
And all I would say is that yes, we are, addressing these corrective actions very expeditiously. We are well underway, and we hope that we can ask for a re-inspection at an early date.
Okay.
So that's as far as I can clarify on
You
that.
wouldn't worry about the Japanese drug regulator, will you? There you've already got an approval.
Yes, but as I mentioned to you, there were no observations even from EMA from the French regulatory authorities on our devices facility. Although it was a part of the scope, so they had to mention the product. But as far as we are concerned, they have inspected the glargine device facility, and there were zero observations.
Okay.
So that also I want to emphasize here, but this is the clarity I would like to provide.
From your side, by when will you be ready, Kiran, for a re-inspection?
I can't tell you right now, but as I said to you, we will try and ask for a re-inspection as soon as possible.
All right. Thank you very much, Kiran, for joining us with all those clarifications. That's very important, no data integrity. And the device facility for glargine itself has not got any observations, which I think is extremely positive.
Yeah, but also that's the management view, of course. So let's see how the market reacts. But keep in mind, Biocon has been the stronger of the pharma stocks. Of course, off late, ever since it went ex-bonus, it's underperformed. But last year, of course, it was the best performing pharma stock.
Okay, I think we still have Mitesh.
Mitesh is called. Mitesh, good morning. What stock are you trading today?